Hey guys, how's it going? Now, when it comes to gaming laptops, the general consensus is that while they do pack in a lot of horsepower, they usually end up costing a lot. And as for budget gaming laptops, they usually have a lot of cost cutting and a lot of compromises. But what if I said that there is a laptop out there that offers a great design, amazing performance, and isn't that heavy on your pockets either? Well, this right here is the MSI Katana GF66. And in today's video, I'll tell you that if you're looking for a budget gaming laptop, this is something that should definitely be on your radar. This is One from Guiding Tech, and let's get started. Alright, so starting off with the design, I think we're so used to seeing gaming laptops in those big beefy packages that we've kind of forgotten that they themselves can be a piece of art, just like this one right here. With the MSI Katana, things are different. MSI refers to the design language here as the Dragon Blade, and in so many ways, that's really apt. The laptop is minimal, has sharp aesthetics, and looks really attractive. The red backlight not only looks good, but also adds on to the gamery aspect. You also have the smartly positioned exhaust fans that not only perform well but add more value to the design. And it's not like it's all looks and no function. I mean, when it comes to I/O, the MSI Katana has you covered on all fronts. On the left side, you get the DC charging port, a USB-A 3.2 port, coupled with a USB-A 2.0 port. Over to the right side, you have an RJ45 port, a full-size HDMI port, a USB Type-C port, another USB 3.2 port, and a 3.5 headphone jack. There's also support for the modern Wi-Fi 6 connectivity here. Now, I call this laptop a great all-rounder, right? Well, that's because whether you're using this thing for productivity or for entertainment needs, this thing does not disappoint at all. For starters, you get a full-sized keyboard here with the numpad and excellent 1.7mm key travel. The touchpad below it is quite big in size too, allowing for easy use with gestures. Additionally, MSI has provided the gamer's hotkeys here as well. Now speaking of gaming, the laptop comes with a 144Hz IPS level display with slim bezels. It's a full HD panel and gaming on this is an absolute treat. Whether it's AAA titles or fast-paced esports titles, everything looks really good on this display. And the same goes for content consumption too. You can easily binge watch TV shows or movies on this, and the dual 2-watt speakers with tuning from Lahimic will definitely soothe your ears. What's more is that there's also support for high-res audio for wired headphones if you prefer that. Now, of course, the biggest area of focus for a gaming laptop has to be the performance. Well, the MSI Katana GF66 comes equipped with the Intel Core i7 11800H processor coupled with the Nvidia RTX 3060 graphics. The specs speak for themselves, but I'll let you take a look at the benchmarks on your screen as well to see just how powerful this system is. Be it synthetic tests or gaming AAA titles, the laptop handles it all without breaking a sweat. And honestly, even if there was a sweat, it would probably just get blown away by the dual fan setup in here. See, I've always claimed that whenever it comes to gaming laptops, you can get hardware specs on pretty much any laptop out there by any brand, but it's the cooling that defines how good or bad your laptop is. And with the MSI Katana, the cooling is one thing that the company has taken extreme good care of. In our testing, the peak temperatures were hovering just around the 92 degrees Celsius mark, and that is after an hour of stress benchmarking. Pretty good, right? Now, another thing that makes the MSI Katana GF66 so good is the software bundle that comes pre-installed with it. You get the MSI Center that lets you control and customize your MSI laptop the way you want. It offers maximum flexibility with different performance modes and better control over the fans and a battery master feature as well. Add to that, there's also the MSI App Player, which lets you install mobile games on your laptop. Now, the way MSI does it is that it allows you to play games at full capacity using the comfort of your keyboard, mouse, and even external game controllers. Alright, now with the Intel 12th gen laptops already here, I know a lot of you guys might be wondering why am I talking about an 11th gen product right here. Well, there are two reasons for that. First up, as you saw in the performance section, the 11th gen laptop is still a beast of a product and can easily handle whatever task you throw at it and will definitely last the test of time. Secondly, if you don't want to spend a fortune on newer tech like DDR5 RAM and the 12th gen products, you can actually score a pretty good deal on the MSI Katana GF66 right here. The MRP of this laptop is 1,23,990, but MSI is offering heavy discounts across all of their laptops, including up to 20% off on the MSI Katana GF66. Now, the links to all of those offers for the GF66 and all of the other laptops will be down in the description box, so make sure to check it out. As far as the MSI Katana GF66 in itself is concerned, with the added discounts, it's a stellar deal that you should definitely not miss out on. And well, that was it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Ram from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.